with a single thread and running it through the beeswax. Now I'm going to take very small stitches. These will be basically little slip stitches to close the neckline of the collar. You want to make a very, very fine knot. If you can't make a fine dressmaker's knot with your 2 fingers, then take both hands and make a single knot and cut very close to it and bury the knot under the collar. Now this area at the center front of both sides of the collar is kind of tricky. You'll learn. You want to take tiny stitches and make it nice and closed and very snug. So these are just little in and out stitches right here. And then when I go down around the up to the shoulder and the back and back around to the other front, I'm going to do a slip stitch going through the fold in the collar and the seam of the neckline, and trying to keep all my stitches from going through to the outside of the fabric where my fingers are holding it. And here we go with the little slip stitches. They're about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch away from each other. They're quite snug. You can take 2 or 3 and then pull your thread. I don't take too many because then it doesn't pull evenly, but sometimes I would rather take 2 or 3 at a time rather than just one. It just depends on exactly what area I'm working on and how refined or tiny the area is to work on. And now to speed up the process a little bit, and back to normal speed and to complete the collar. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and spread the word.